Hi, I'm Matt Trainer, Product Experience Manager for AI Studio. I'm here to talk to you about how to invite new members to your account. Inside of the app, simply navigate to the Account button in the bottom left. Once you're here, click Invite New Members, and you'll be prompted to enter the email address for the new member of your team. Simply type in their email address and click the Invite button. Once you've invited them, you'll be able to see that pending request inside the Pending tab here. Pending includes all invites that have been sent but not activated by the new user. Once that new user activates their account, you'll be able to see that new user inside of My Team. Also, once they've activated their account, if you navigate to the Compute tab, you'll be able to see all members of your account as well as their hardware and GPU setup.